So today you're going to join these two pieces with a simple seam. Lay them together, right sides together, and line up the edges of the seam you're going to join. The seam is now pinned and ready to take to the sewing machine. Sewing a simple seam, you need to select a straight running stitch. Select a standard stitch length of between 2 and 3 and run a small test. This is just to check that this works on your chosen fabric. Lighter fabrics might need a shorter length. Slide your seam under the presser foot and line up the straight edge with a 1.5 cm groove. Lower the presser foot to hold the fabric in position and manually lower the needle. Using the foot pedal, stitch forward, press and hold the reverse. Now come forward and focus on the cut edge of the seam gauge, and as you come to the bottom of the seam, stop 1/4 centimetre away from the edge. Do a few back stitches, come off the seam, raise the needle and sewing foot and take to the ironing board. Press over the stitching to press it out and set it in. Thumb press before engaging the iron. Press it nice and flat. And the seam allowances are now nice and open. Now select the zigzag stitch. You want to change to the wider stitch length. On this machine it is a 6. So change the length, but maybe slightly closer together. Don't go below 1, as that is a satin stitch and you won't be travelling forward. Get the fabric lined up with the needle in the right hand position and over the raw edge. And best not to start with a back stitch. Using the foot pedal, slowly start the zigzag. Zigging in the fabric, but zagging on the air. Turn the seam around and zigzag the second edge. Lower the sewing foot to hold, avoid back stitching or reverse stitching. Sew all the way down with the zig and the zag on the fabric. And then carefully trim away the excess material right next to the zigzag.